Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using Alice's recipe to make an eggless sponge cake for you all. So I hope you all enjoy and leave me your comments down below. So guys, to make this we're going to start with our wet ingredients, and in a bowl I'm going to go in with some melted butter. I'm going to go in with some hot water, some bitters, Angostura bitters, a few dashes. We'll need some vanilla or mixed essence. I'm adding in a pinch of yellow food coloring and 1 tin of a sweetened condensed milk. You just want to give this a mix. So once it's mixed in, set the wet mixture aside. Now I'm going to sift some flour, and sifting the flour just helps you to get a lighter, fluffier cake. To the sifted flour I'm going to go in with some salt, some pumpkin spice, or you can use cinnamon and nutmeg, whatever you wanted to use. I'm going to go in with baking powder, and the baking soda. The baking soda is going to help give you a nice fluffy sponge cake. Give your dry ingredients a quick mix. Okay, now you're going to pour your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. You guys see how nice and yellow that is? If you didn't want to put the yellow food coloring, of course you can omit it. And we're going to mix this. You want to mix to make sure there are no lumps. Next we're going to empty this into a 9-inch baking pan. And I already have my oven preheating to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, this goes into my oven to bake for about 40 to 45 minutes, until when you put a skewer through it, it comes out clean. So the cake is finished. I just want to go in with a toothpick and check it to make sure it's cooked. So the cake is cooked. What I want to do now is just allow it to cool out before I cut into it and show you guys. So guys, here you have it, an eggless sponge cake recipe, just in time for you to make this Christmas season. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Make it and let me know down below. This recipe was inspired from Alice's eggless chocolate cake, which I have on my channel. So if you guys try this, leave me your comments down below. I want to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.